Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to remove Tinder ads. So I will open my Tinder application. So just move in my profile icon, which is right bottom, and go in the profile at the top right corner of gear icon. And from here, there are all settings of Tinder. So you may scroll down a little bit more, scroll down. So here you will see the option is privacy preferences. So just tap to this allow advertising permission. So just turn it off. So here you will see the all ads are turned off. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.